YouTube, Henry here. Today we're going to do an install of Ubuntu 12.10. Please ignore the bear behind me. It's my wife's bear. Anyway, let's get started. Okay, we're just going to do a reset considering that didn't work. And I'm going to switch this to skill. Right, I'm going to do this. This is a great operating system for new users to Linux. It's easy to use, very simple to set up. Now, also I've been getting a few different distros, so I'll be trying some other ones out. Right. Now, this one here is for the live CD, and it will not alter any settings on your hard drive. So if you just want to try Ubuntu without installing it, click that. But for this purpose, we're going to be installing. And we will just install these as well. Now, note that when you highlight these two, it will take a bit longer to install. Pardon me, but it will give you the benefits of flash and any codecs needed to play back movies, music, etc. Right, now we've got a few options here. We can erase the whole disk and use it for Ubuntu. We can encrypt the Ubuntu installation for security reasons, and we can use LVM, which is the logical volume management, and we can create and resize partitions ourselves. But since this is a new installation of VM, we're just going to erase the whole disk. closest to where I live. Right, so select your keyboard layout. Mine's already highlighted, so and enter your name, computer name. Okay, we can't use that. Username, and a password. Oh, there, we'll just capitalize that. Now with this, you can log in automatically, or you can require a password every time you log in, but since we're just testing this, it's going to be logging automatically. Now this will take a bit, so I'm going to pause it here and come back when it's nearly done. Right, if I'm correct, this is almost finished now, so we'll just wait and see. Okay. Configure an app. Now this seems to be going up rather quickly, so hopefully it won't be too much longer. bootloader. Grub install. Update grub. I wondered if it's already installed the third-party codecs and stuff. Oh, I'm not looking forward to using Unity. The worst mistake they've made, Unity. Ugh. Then again, I don't really like GNOME 3 either. Probably should have stuck with GNOME 2 and just updated it. Just to note that I'm also just going to use the virtual machines drivers. It is quite difficult to install the proprietary drivers for whether you've got an NVIDIA card or an ATI AMD card. And I think once or twice my system's like crapped out on us because it didn't install properly. Also with, I think with 12.10, because you can install them using the additional drivers, but I think in this version of Ubuntu, apparently the trying to install drivers through the software center crashes your system. Okay, I think this is the third party codecs and the flash and all that. That's it setting up. So hopefully it won't be too much longer. Excuse me. Hey, look, we're done. At this point in time, you will need to restart. Okay. Normally that message doesn't come up, so we'll just have to see what happens. I'm not sure what's happened, so let's see if I'm able to reset this. And there we have it, Unity in all its glory. Now there's been some controversy over this version of Ubuntu because of these suggestions and the Amazon add-ins as well. Oh, I don't like this. Okay. Close that. Ah, now it's working. No, it's not. Right, anyway, we have Firefox, the home folder, LibreOffice, the Ubuntu Software Center, which we'll try in a minute, Ubuntu One, online storage, similar to things like iCloud and SkyDrive, the Amazon, not sure what it is, like I think it's the online rentals, Ubuntu One Music, and the settings. Okay, looks like it's just opening us up to Amazon. Right, this is the new software center. It's different to the old ones. Open box, shut down, that's funny. Try again. Is it or is it not? Okay, so I've had to click on it again to try to install it. Okay, so this virtual machine's a little laggy, but it's only a test, so not too bothered. Okay, so I'm not sure if that's in, doesn't really matter anyway. Let's have a look at something else. So I'm having a problem with the mouse now as well. I kind of like this one. Right. Well, there's VLC player. Okay, now I'm gonna have a slight problem here with the mouse. What should we look for? Whatever. Even though it's on the screen. Oh, what's Firefox? Firefox. Well, this search is quite responsive considering I'm in a VM. As you can see down here, we've got suggestions for the film with Clint Eastwood in called Firefox. Right, we'll just close that. Here's the workspaces. And there we go. And we can switch to them like that. Right. Okay, so we need codecs in order to use the parts. Right. So where we are. Right, so Firefox is the main browser. I'm sure you can find others in the software center. In Google Chrome, where you can just go to Google's website for that. I think the one that they usually have on the software center is Chromium, which there are differences that I've noticed. Oh, this is working now, is it? As you can see, the graphics is Oracle's VM. Now out of this I've given it 2 cores. I thought it'd be a bit quicker than this, but no. And 2 gig out of 4 for RAM. These are default applications, so it's Firefox for the web, Thunderbird Mail for email. I thought gedit is not a calendar, so excuse me, so you must have to install one. Rhythmbox is your music player, a movie player for videos, and the image viewer for photos. And how to set up your removable media and graphics. And that system settings brings us back up there. Well, not much left to do. So please share and like this video, and if you'd like to see more, please subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.